Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can add a post slider in your wpbakery WordPress website. So let me log in into my demo website. Simply you can add /wp-admin to log in into any WordPress website. And after that, make sure that you have installed a wpbakery plugin. And if you want to install this plugin, just you can go here and simply upload the plugin file. Make sure that plugin file is in zip format. And after that, if you want to get the plugin, just you can go here. For the single website, you can get for $59. For the multiple website, here you can check these packages. Okay guys, let's go to the pages and scroll down. Let's edit one of the page. Then scroll down. Make sure that here you have selected front-end editor or back-end editor. Then let me add a new row, and after that again click on plus icon, then search for post. So here I can select post slider, and after that you can give a name, for example post slides. Then scroll down and you can select the slider type. Then here you can see number of slides. You can select, for example, 3, 4, whatever. Let me add 4. Then auto rotation. So this is the time in seconds. Then scroll down. Let's select post, then description. Then you can also add some link to any particular blog post. Then here you can add thumbnail size, for example medium, full and large. Here you can see these are the sizes. So let me add full. Then scroll down. Here you can add, include and exclude some post IDs. Otherwise it will add just random data. Then go to design options. Here we can add some margin on the top side, for example 30. Then save changes. Let's preview. So guys, here you can see this is the post slider, and we have selected 4 slides. Then let's go back, and after that if you want to make it full width, just you can go in the row setting. Then you can select stretch row and content, no paddings. Then save changes. Let's go back, and after that scroll down. Here you can see now we have full width post slider. So thank you for watching video.